Alright guys, so we have our form created and we did it through Laravel Collective and we created some form components. Now we need to take care of the submission. So let's open up the to-dos controller and we want to go to the store function, which is right here. So first of all, we want to validate what we need to. And all I want is for the text field to be required. So we're going to say this. And we're going to say validate, pass in request, the request variable, and then we want to pass in an array of rules. Okay, and we're just going to have one. That's going to be that the text field has to be required. All right, now we already have the error messaging set up. We did that by including our messages file here, messages.blade. Basically, if there's an error, it's going to go through and look for the errors and then output it. All right. And then down here, we can go to create our to-do. I hate when it does that. So we're going to create a variable called to-do and set it to new to-do. And then we want to add each field. So let's say text. And we're going to get it from the request. So request input text. So we're basically just saying whatever is in that form for the text field, put it into this value here. All right, and then we want to do the same for the other fields. So we have body, and let's see, that's going to come from request input and body. All right, and then the last field we're going to do is the due field, which will be the due date. So I'll put that right there. And then the last thing we want to do is save it. So we can say to do and then run the save function. Okay, and then after it's saved, we want to redirect. So we'll say redirect to, let's say, the home page, and we want to send a success message. We can do that by saying with success, and then the message we want to send is just going to be to do created. All right, so let's save that and hopefully that works. Oh, it looks like we got an error, unexpected to do. Oh, I forgot the semicolon here. All right, so now we have our form and hopefully we can submit a to do. So let's say to do 3. This is my third to do, and then for the due date, let's just say Thursday, and submit. To do created, and there it is, to do 3, and we get Thursday, and this is my third to do. All right, so we can now submit to dos to the database. All right, so that's going to do it for now. In the next video, we're going to work on the edit form so that we can update these. All right, so I will see you in the next video.